Stronger than expected. We got that dollar rally. If you took the 96 buy that you're prepped for a few days, maybe even a week or so, you had 100 pips at one point, still up 70. Should be taking partials on everything I talk about. You could go BE. If we get through 97, then there's a shot for 98, but we're back to this old support level, which could be resistance. And you never know what's going to happen if we're going to get followed through next week or how we finish on the day as well. So that was successful. Going back to the end, a couple of trades were successful, and that was the short from 4.5, looking to reverse at 43. A few of my followers bought it at 43. That was a big trade. So 45, we have a breakout here. So you had money made, over 150, 200 on the downside. You bought it at 43. You're still up 180. I still think, and I brought the case up with this confirmed high, that down the road that we're going to take these highs out, and that the pain trade in yields was going to be higher yields. That's what we're getting today after the NFP beat. Also, I saw something yesterday about a little stress in the repos at the end of the month. That was more than just, end of quarter demand because they had to go the discount window, which a lot of banks don't want to do. There's a stigma with it, showing they're really not running their books if they if they have to go. That meant that there was dollar demand. Also talked about TLT, that it was approaching a very important area. We didn't quite break down, but we're on the verge. So I think that the surprise is higher yields coming, and how high, that's yet to be determined. There are some counts that if we get going, and we're now, I talked about this resistance right here, 433, but we start closing over there, that's a false breakdown, and that could lead to 450, and who knows. TLT, we get a breakdown in TLT. If you look at this Moody's low that we have here, no reason that we can't eventually challenge those lows, whatever the Fed's going to do. So those have been my calls this week. Canada acting a little disappointing. It's trying to hold this level here. Euro fighting its way back, but let's face it, I was lucky on the NFP, and people will buy headlines today, sell newspapers tomorrow. So normally when I have news going my way, I take it. So we'll see how this closes, because I'm open to the fact that this was a confirmed low, and I pointed it out, but I did it on the price anyway, and we could still end up having a new low, take it down another 100 towards the 95 level. It's another count, but a successful week. I know some people were talking about they're not happy about the fact that I think gold could work lower. It's coming back as well with the dollar, but I don't think we're having a great week in gold. Silver's completely a different story. So we'll see how long silver could fight it. Maybe we can make new highs in silver. We almost got there today. But notice, if we do get up here towards 38 or so, that we're going to diverge and tag this megaphone formation on the weekly. So here's the weekly. Gold being the weakness, and your preferred short because of the gold silver ratio is gold, but here we are. Even on the weekly, we're not confirming here with the RSI. You see it right here at 70. Can't argue with it. I'm not going to short this one, but I still think that there's a chance in gold, a little bit of an up week, that we could, trade back down towards this weekly moving average. This 2800 was a big level, some confluence coming in there. Just would like to see him shake out, get people nervous back under 3K. And that's a wrap, everyone. Remember, don't just count your pips, count your blessings. Let me know how you did this week. Could leave a few comments, share it with your friends. Just and keep in mind, it's kind of late to be getting short the dollar, even if we do make new lows. Start getting used to looking for opportunities to buy it, because when we do get a low in Dixie, I'm looking for right around here, about 103. It's going to be a big move. It could take euro back down to 112 to 110, take cable back down towards this 129 level. And again, I'm looking for new highs in yen over this 148 level, maybe towards 150. So that's still about 500 handles from here. Anyway, have a great weekend. We're closed. I'll be off tomorrow for the 4th, and I'll see you Monday. And I'll also see you